Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. Thanks for your support. Today we are going to see video number 150 from my channel regarding upgradation of a theme Cosmos application to Constellation using Pega components. Before going to the video, I would like to share that all the updates related to videos and any job opportunities you can find under my channel posts. So if you scroll down, you can see all the jobs that I have listed across my contacts, and you can do your predictions over here and you can participate in the polls that I conduct regularly. Before going to video, I want to share that I am available in TopMate now. So if you want some Pega career guidance, or if you want some Pega mock interviews, or if you want some information on interview questions, whatever it is, you can reach me personally in this TopMate. You can book a video meeting with me so that I can have one-to-one chat with you guys. Let's get started into the topic. So normally we want to migrate a traditional UI to Pega Constellation modernization applications. So we want to enhance the scalability and streamlines for the development. So by applying some pre-built components and focusing on the business outcomes, you can experience the improvement in user experience and simplifying the process and everything. Pega has given a user guide for us how we can modernize our application to Constellation. I would be providing a Pega course also in the video description, and this particular user guide as well. So normally this particular tool provides two modes of operation: analysis mode and migration mode. So first, analysis mode. So it will report the list of findings that needs to be addressed to modernize your application, and you can download it in Excel file to find the list of rules. And migration mode, so it will create new application based on Constellation UI. A new rule set and access group will be built here. And during this migration, right, all the sections are automatically converted to views, and all the properties will be marked as relevant records, which are very important for our Constellation. And our migrated new application, right, it will be, so there are some of the limitations for Constellation. So this tool does not fully convert section modes to views, leaving components such as tables, repeating dynamic layouts unsupported, and migration locks the current user, which prevents them from performing other activities during the process. The process required temporarily adding the new rule set to the current application. Suppose version 1.0x of the tool identifies over 50 modernization but does not detect all potential problems. So I would be giving the link for the course as well. So if you can spend some 3 hours of time, you can go through this course and you can know how you can convert a theme Cosmos application to Constellation. So as a first step, I would be giving this link for the component Constellation Modernization Assistant. So this particular assistant, you can see it is compatible with Pega platform 8.7, 8, 23 Infinity, 24.1, 24.2, and it's latest updated in August 14th. And you can see the overview of this, like the tool provides two modes of operation: analysis mode and migration mode, as I said earlier. And these are the key features, and these are the user guide, and you can go through this session also. Now let's download this. The next step is like switch to Dev Studio, and you can see the built-on application for this is theme Cosmos. Now we have to click add component if it is already added, but as it just we have downloaded, we'll go for manage components. Okay, these are all the components that are there. Now we'll go for install new, and this is our Pega modernization one. It is getting uploaded now. So we can see Pega Constellation 01 over 09 version is there, and we have clicked enable. Now click OK. Now you can see modernization tool is there. Now that component is added, and you click save on the application instance. Once it is done, you try to log out and log in once. And before that, make sure this ACCT management, like account management application, is there in our system runtime context. Yeah, this application is already there. Now you try to log off and log in once. So once you are logged in again, you can see this is our Dev Studio. If you scroll down, the Constellation Assistant component, some message will be there, and click on Open. Now we want to upgrade this particular application, so I will click on this and I will click Run Analysis. It will take some time. After the analysis is run, you can see 92% of your application is ready to migrate, and total number of rules in the application is 185. Number of rules ready for migration is 170. To be reviewed is 15, and you can see total findings to be reviewed 26. Auto fixed after migration is 0. And here you can see the rule count separately, and here you can have another tab called as findings by type. So these are like declare pages, HTML sections, data page queryable, OBJ class, properties, and everything. And if you want more granular way of doing it, just go for finding by rules, and you can see many like this is a property and what is the type of the property, and what is the class it is having. So you can filter out like that. If there is any property in the respective class, it will be showing all the values over here. Example sections also like that you can filter. For now we don't have any on those, but once this is done, you can go for overview again, and here you can see do you need help modernization download list of findings. If you click this particular download, an Excel will be downloaded. I will be showing that, which comprises of all the list of the rules. See around 26 rules, I guess, that here. This see total findings to be reviewed. See 26 findings to be reviewed, and once you are okay with it, and again another thing I forgot, right? Finding by type. Here you can see documentation. You have any query like how we have to configure or about this respective example. This is database, right? If you click open, you can see Pega system documentation is linked to it, like specifying a data page as a queryable. Example, if you are having an issue on section, click on open. So it would be opening, see configuring reference fields in Constellation. Example, you have some class, click open. See this again creating a data page, and what are the things we have to do. So like this, they made us easy to go and see like what are the issues that we need to capture and identify. And if you see here complexity, like moderate, low, everything is specified here, and these are auto fixed. It's like tick mark because this is already auto fixed, and you can see count of the rule as well. Say here two rules, five rules, like that. So in this way, this is the third step, like how we can see the list of rules. Next is like in the application configure. If you go to our rule set stack, you can see this. Now here we have to lock all the rule sets. So I'm just going for lock control. I'm locking all the rule sets, and I'm giving password as Pega 123. So I just selected do not update my application. I'm clicking done. So this has run and everything is logged. And go back to this wizard, and here click on migrate my application. And here application name I'm just giving as a demo account management, I'm creating a new rule set here and I'm clicking migrate. So after taking some time, you can see the application migration is done successfully and new application is created, and you can go here, go to new application. Let's switch to Dev Studio and go to demo account manager and see the application definition. In here definition you can see Constellation is built on application, and if you scroll down in advanced, uh, yeah, this is Constellation UI, and we make sure that we have to add this access group to our operator, yeah, this one, and click save, and you confirm that application rule set demo account 0101. Just if you go to cases and data tab, you can see balance case type is already there, and all the other values are here. So once that is done, click open, and again you select both the applications and click run analysis. So once again you have clicked here, you can see data pages, object class. So here example, I'm showing one of the database. So D underscore balance transfer list. So for Constellation application, all the data pages should be marked as a API. So see, this is already done. So the status should be API written. So then only we can be able to use it for Constellation applications. Another important thing to do is suppose this data object transfers account, everything is there, right? So example, this transfer offers data object you have to open, and for every data object, right, under settings, if you go here, you have default data sources. Their default required lookup data page you have to configure, data page for list and data page for savable. So all these you have to do it. For example, in this application I did for transfer offers, and example, if I go to transfers, again settings and default source. So the as I did not save as these databases as API, I did not get this. If I could have saved as API, then this could have come. Again, if I go to accounts, default data sources, see, as I did not expose those data pages, it is not there. That's why like those are very important for whatever data objects you want to do that. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have liked the content. Please feel free to subscribe to this channel and check community tab for regular updates and click on bell notifications.